Now, let's take a look how this case held up in court. The first factor. The defendant's video was only 14 minutes, and only 3 minutes of the plaintiff's material were used. The court has also concluded that the purpose and the character in the defendant's content was quintessential criticism and comment. Simply put, the defendant made a critique video. Thus, this factor now tilts towards the defendant's favor. H3, H3, 1. Matt Haas, 0. The second factor, the nature of the copyrighted work, favored the plaintiff, Matt Haas, because the work was entirely scripted and fictional. Bald Guy does not represent Matt Haas. It is just a character he played, not to be compared with the actor himself. So, H3, H3, 1, and Matt Haas, 1. The third factor. The portion taken from the plaintiff's video was considered neutral. Well, that's because to comment and critique a work, the use of the original clips are considered necessary and reasonable. Can't make a critic video if no one knows what you're criticizing. But still, a great deal of Matt Haas videos were used. Thus, H3, H3, 1, Matt Haas, 1. Still a tie. On to the final factor. The defendant's video was in nowhere a market substitute for the plaintiff's video. H3, H3 has transformed the Bald Guy skits into a moment-by-moment commentary. In layman's term, H3, H3's video has become entirely different from the source material and is in no position to steal the plaintiff's viewers. Thus, H3, H3, 2, Matt Haas, 1. After conducting the 4-step analysis, the court found that the defendant's use was fair as a matter of law and had been granted their motion for summary judgment. And with that, the court has also dismissed the plaintiff's claim for misrepresentation because it had found that the use was fair. All that was needed was a subjective good faith belief that their use was fair to avoid such damages. Disclaimer: the court does not keep scores. It's just to dramatize this video.